Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will be running better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous free video tutorials, we create website on Joomla 4 from scratch. We used only free extensions. The result was a business website which was uploaded to the hosting. The previously recorded video tutorials for Joomla 4 are almost completely relevant for current version of Joomla 5.3. The information in this video tutorial remains relevant for Joomla 4 as well. At least this is true on September 2, 2025. In the previous video tutorial we work with inventory, tax and calculation rules, reviews and ratings, and user registration. In this video we will work with orders, sales report, shopper groups, and coupons. We will also use tax and calculation rule to set up discount for VIP customers. But first, let's look how we can manually update some Joomla extensions. This is our website. Here we can see update are available. If we click here, we will see our Akeeba Backup. Here we can see there is a new Akeeba Backup version. So we can just click update. This will be automatic update. I already show it in previous video tutorial, but I want to show you manual update. This can be useful in some cases, not only with Akeeba Backup, but with all extensions. So go here. Here we can see Akeeba Backup website. Akeeba Backup has compatibility requirements. Also, other extensions also can have compatibility requirements. Here we can see that for our Joomla we have 5.3 Joomla this, and we need to know what PHP version do we have. Go to information, and here we can see PHP version 8.2. Here it is, just click here, download now. Let's get back to install extension. Let's see our downloaded extension and just move it here. And it was installed, so let's go here and we can see 10.0.6. As you remember in previous video tutorial, let's see products, inventory. Here we can see in stock quantity, weight. In previous video tutorial we add for one product, and now I'll add for all products. Where, for example, here I'll just add product weight, unit in box, and so on, just for test purpose. So now let's go to orders. We have no orders here, so just let's add to cart, show cart. No shipment method and payment method. With shipment and payment method we will work in next video tutorials, but just for now let's add new shipment method. It will be pickup. Save it. Payment method will be, for example, just cash. Now let's update the page. We can see pickup, cash. Let's click, we agree with terms of conditions. Checkout. You can check out with login or without login. I'll add some details. With these fields we will work in next video tutorials. We will hide some of them. just check out as guest. I forgot to enter email address. Now let's confirm our pushers. Let's go to orders and we can see our first order. Here we can see all necessary information. And of course we can confirm it, cancel it, refund and so on. For change status, select for example confirmed and update order status. This is just fine because we haven't set up our mail. We will do it in the next video tutorials, and for now it's okay. Also we can see the status was changed, so that's okay. Here we can send this order to print or generate preview in PDF. We will also work with this invoice in next video tutorials. The next thing I want to show you is sales reports. Here we can see our report. There is no much to see because we have just one order, but if you have a real online store, you will see all orders here and you can use these filters. The next thing is shoppers. Here we can see 2 users. Let's see, for example, our users. Also, we can see 2 users here. In user settings, we can see all information about our customer. We can edit it, we can add shipment address and so on. Also, pay attention here, we can see shopper groups. And we can add our user to one or other shopper group. So let's go to shopper groups, create new shopper group, for example, WIP. For now, just leave everything like this. Let's go to shoppers and select shopper group. As you can see, the shopper can belong to several shopper groups, but in my case, I'll just leave it in one. So let's go here and let's log in. Username, password, login. Here, for example, woman dress. Please pay attention to the price. As I mentioned before, we can set a discount for different shopper groups. How we can do that? Let's go to orders, to products, tax and calculation rules, new rule. For example, it will be VIP 20%, publish. And here you need to select shopper groups. In my case, it will be just one shopper group. Let's go here again, shopper, woman dress, and we already can see that the price was changed. This is the old price and this is the new price. Also, if I log out from here, go back to woman, and I will see the old price without discount. Also, if I'll log in as administrator here, I won't see any discount. Why? Because my administrator is not in the VIP shopper group and it won't see any discount. In this way, you can create several calculation rules for different WIP groups. You can create several shopper groups, for example, WIP 1, WIP 2, WIP 3, and so on, or for example, silver, gold, platinum, and so on. And for different shopper groups, you can give different discount. For this purpose, there is Shopper Group Changer, very interesting component. For example, it will move users automatically from one shopper group to other when the shopper buys, for example, 10 products or 20 products, or he will buy in some specific amount, and in this way the shopper will automatically go to the next shopper group and he will see more discounts as you wish. And the last thing I want to show you in this video tutorials is coupons. For example, let's create new coupon. I'll, for example, call it WIP 20, publish, value 20%. As you can see, there are different options. For example, you can limit maximum allowed coupon usage per user. You can allow it to some shoppers, shopper groups, products, product categories. You can add coupon start data, expiration data, and other options you can set up here. I won't show them all. Just click Save, go here, as we can see the price here, Add to Cart, Show Cart. Here we can enter coupon code, look here, save, and we can see the discount. So in this way you can create a lot of coupons and give them to your customers. In the next video tutorial, we'll continue creating an online store on VirtueMart and Joomla. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.